guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my two dogs.
Nice run by Jordan.
I'm going to be showing you my two dogs. There's a Lola. Hi. I'm going to leave her alone because I think she's trying to sleep. And there's Piper. She doesn't really want to be pet. I'll go back to Lola.
10-yard gain.
Yeah. You trying to sleep?
Under 5 minutes to go in this.
Alright. Well, let's just sleep.
Texas sure would love to take it right down and score some points.
This is the real Grinch in the family. This French bulldog right here, Piper. Alright, well, that's my dogs. See ya.